Hi guys, I'm Tyann Marcink Hammon with Touch Stay Digital Guidebooks. My official title is the Queen of Guest Experience. So I am here at Short Stay Summit, and I get to talk to folks, build relationships, and network with folks, and then talk to property managers and hosts about Touch Stay Digital Guidebooks and how we help them. So what I'm looking forward to the most in travel for this year is that a lot of people are realizing the importance of guest experience and the importance of communication. Previously, people were focused on the data, the revenue management, and the guest experience was really pushed behind. And now they're realizing there's actually a return on experience, not just return on investment. So that's really, really good to know and where to put your dollars, because it could mean an ADR, annual daily rate of percentage-wise a whole lot more.